We often look to the skies with wonder, clouds drifting lazily, rainbows arching after a summer rain, and stars twinkling like distant gems in the velvet night. The sky is a canvas of endless beauty, a source of inspiration and curiosity for people across the world and throughout history. From ancient storytellers to modern scientists, we have always been drawn to the mysteries above us, searching for meaning in the ever-changing patterns overhead. But sometimes, the sky transforms from a gentle spectacle into a stage for raw, untamed power. In a sudden, blinding flash, lightning rips through the darkness, followed by the deep, rolling growl of thunder. This electrifying phenomenon is both beautiful and dangerous, a reminder of nature's immense energy, unleashed in a single, breathtaking moment. For millennia, lightning has both captivated and terrified us. It's a fleeting burst of raw energy, unpredictable and awe-inspiring. Ancient cultures saw lightning as the weapon of gods, a sign from the heavens. Even today, we gather at windows or on porches to watch storms roll in, mesmerized by the jagged bolts that split the sky and light up the world for an instant. Deep beneath our feet, another wonder forms: diamonds. Unlike the fleeting brilliance of lightning, diamonds are symbols of endurance and permanence. They are forged over millions of years, deep within the Earth's mantle, under unimaginable heat and pressure. These stones are nature's time capsules, holding the secrets of our planet's ancient past. We think of them as ancient treasures, born from the slow, relentless forces of geology. Each diamond is a testament to patience and transformation, a rare and precious result of Earth's hidden processes. Their journey from deep underground to the surface is as remarkable as their sparkling beauty. But what if these two forces, lightning and diamonds, were connected in a way few could imagine? What if, in a single instant, the sky's wild energy could create a gem that usually takes eons to form? Science now reveals that, under the right conditions, a lightning strike can create diamonds in an instant. When a bolt of lightning meets the right mix of carbon-rich soil, the intense heat and pressure can mimic the deep Earth's processes, transforming ordinary carbon into tiny diamonds in a flash. This is the story of nature's instant diamond factory, where the sky's fire meets the Earth's soil. It's a tale of transformation, where the fleeting and the eternal collide in a spectacular display of natural alchemy. Let's follow a bolt of lightning as it races from the clouds to the ground and uncover the hidden process that turns a moment of energy into a lasting jewel, revealing the sky's fiery jewels, born in a heartbeat, yet destined to endure. It all begins with a storm. The sky darkens, and the air grows heavy with anticipation. Thunder rumbles in the distance, a warning of the immense forces about to be unleashed. As the clouds gather, nature prepares for a spectacular display of power. Within these swirling clouds, invisible battles rage. Electrical charges separate, building tension with every passing second. Suddenly, lightning erupts, an explosive release of energy, hotter than the surface of the sun, slicing through the sky in a blinding flash. When lightning strikes the ground, it doesn't just light up the night. It injects a colossal surge of power into whatever it touches: trees, buildings, or the very soil beneath our feet. The energy is so intense, it can split trees, shatter rocks, and even alter the earth itself. In an instant, the ground is electrified. The soil is transformed, scorched and shaken by the force of the strike. The landscape bears the scars of this encounter, a reminder of nature's raw power. But for something truly extraordinary to happen, the lightning must find a special target: carbon-rich soil. This kind of earth is found in dense forests, ancient peat bogs, or anywhere that organic matter has gathered and decayed over centuries. Here, the ingredients for a miracle are waiting. Carbon is the key ingredient, hidden in the dark soil, waiting for a spark to unlock its potential. It's the same element that forms the backbone of all life, now poised for a dramatic transformation. The lightning acts as both hammer and furnace, delivering a blast of heat and pressure in a fraction of a second. The temperature soars, and the ground is compressed with unimaginable force. The shockwave ripples through the earth, creating pressures thousands of times greater than anything the soil has ever experienced. The ground trembles, and particles are thrown into the air, caught in the chaos of the moment. In a split second, ordinary carbon is thrust into extraordinary conditions. The atoms are forced together, beginning a transformation that is as rare as it is remarkable. As the storm passes, the stage is set for nature's most magical change. The air clears and sunlight returns, but beneath the surface, something incredible has begun. All it takes is a single bolt from the blue, a moment of pure energy and chaos. And with that, the transformation begins, setting the scene for the birth of a diamond forged by the wildest forces of nature. Deep within the soil, a force of nature is at work. When lightning strikes, it doesn't just illuminate the sky. It sends a surge of raw energy plunging into the earth below, igniting a chain reaction that is as violent as it is beautiful. In an instant, temperatures soar beyond any earthly furnace, reaching thousands of degrees Celsius. The ground sizzles and steams, the air shimmers with heat, and the very surface of the earth is transformed into a molten landscape. The intense heat melts sand and rock, turning them into a bubbling, glowing mixture. Simultaneously, a shockwave rips through the soil, compressing everything in its path and creating a pocket of unimaginable pressure, conditions rarely found on the planet's surface. Within this crucible, carbon atoms, once loosely bonded in organic matter, perhaps from ancient plants or decayed life, are torn apart and set free, scattered like cosmic dust in the chaos. In the midst of this turmoil, the atoms are forced together by the immense pressure, squeezed tighter than anywhere else on the surface of the Earth. Instead of drifting apart or forming soft graphite, the carbon atoms snap into place, locking together in a rigid, three-dimensional lattice, the unmistakable structure of diamond, the hardest natural material known. This transformation is not gradual. It happens almost instantly, in the blink of an eye. Within microseconds, the ordinary becomes extraordinary. It's not a slow process, but a violent act of creation, a burst of energy and matter that leaves behind a hidden treasure. Lightning provides the perfect, fleeting conditions for carbon to become diamond. For a brief moment, the earth becomes a forge, and the impossible becomes reality. In a flash, an earthly star is born in the dark soil, a crystal forged by nature's own hand, hidden beneath our feet. The process is over before we even know it began. In the time it takes for a heartbeat, the transformation is complete, and the energy dissipates back into the earth. Nature's alchemy, hidden from sight, leaves behind a secret. A diamond waiting to be discovered, a testament to the power of storms. All sparked by a storm, a reminder that even the most violent forces of nature can create something of breathtaking beauty. Deep earth diamonds take millions of years to form, but lightning works in microseconds. The transformation window is a fleeting moment of extreme heat and pressure. There's no slow growth, just instant metamorphosis. Because the process is so fast, the resulting diamonds are tiny, nanodiamonds or microdiamonds. They're far too small to see, locked in the soil, invisible to the naked eye. You could hold thousands in your hand and never know. These aren't gems for jewelry, but nature's secret jewels. Each is a testament to a power that creates and vanishes in a blink. Lightning's diamonds are a hidden legacy beneath our feet, a reminder that creation can be both ancient and instantaneous. The earth holds treasures born in a flash, all thanks to the storm. For years, the idea that lightning could create diamonds was just a theory. The breakthrough came with the discovery of fulgurites, glassy tubes formed when lightning strikes sandy soil. Fulgurites are fossilized lightning bolts, mapping the path of the strike. Scientists found minuscule crystals inside fulgurites. Using powerful microscopes, they confirmed these were diamonds, formed under lightning's heat and pressure. The fulgurite acts as a time capsule, preserving these microscopic gems. The theory became fact. Lightning can create diamonds. A new chapter in Earth's story was written. Diamonds and fulgurites offer a window into the physics of lightning. By studying their size and structure, scientists can deduce the extreme conditions of their creation. Pressures reach several gigapascals, temperatures soar to thousands of degrees. Nature achieves what labs struggle to replicate every time a storm hits carbon-rich ground. The carbon source is often organic: wood, roots, even microbes. Mundane matter is transformed into the hardest natural substance in an instant. With millions of lightning strikes each year, this process is happening constantly. The ground beneath us may be peppered with these hidden gems, nature's silent legacy, forged by the sky's fire. Think of this as nature's instant diamond factory. The raw material is carbon in the soil. The energy source is a lightning bolt. The factory floor is wherever lightning strikes. Unlike the slow cooker mantle, this is a flash forge. Diamonds made in millionths of a second. The result? Countless nanodiamonds, too small for jewelry, but valuable for science and technology. Their imperfections give them unique properties, useful in medicine and engineering. You won't wear a lightning diamond, but their creation is a marvel of natural science. The universe is full of surprises, even in a thunderstorm. Nature's ingenuity is on display, creating order from chaos. Creation can happen in a flash, as well as over eons. Lightning's power has always inspired awe and caution, but now we know it's also a creator, forging diamonds beneath our feet. Each storm is more than a display of force, it's a hidden act of creation. The next time you watch lightning from indoors, imagine the energy plunging into the earth. Picture a microscopic crucible forming, carbon transforming into diamonds in a split second. Science reveals wonders we never imagined, like the link between lightning and diamonds. Even in chaos, nature creates beauty. The sky's fire is both a warning and a promise of hidden gems. With every thunderous strike, the earth is painted with microscopic jewels.